IRCTC has launched South India Tour Package by Bharat Gaurav Tourist Train. Watch the video till the end for dates, fares, tourist places and more. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell. It is rightly said, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. To enrich your soul and eyes with experience, IRCTC has announced an affordable tour package for all those planning to visit and explore southern India. IRCTC Limited offers Shri Rameshwaram Mallikarjun Dakshin Bharat Yatra by Bharat Gaurav Tourist Train, covering the prominent sacred and heritage destinations of southern India in 13 days journey. The tour begins from 8th December 2022. Highlights of this package. Tour name: Shri Rameshwaram Mallikarjun Dakshin Bharat Yatra. Duration: Delhi 12 nights 13 days. Tour date: 8th December 2022. Tour itinerary: Delhi, Hyderabad, Rameshwaram, Madurai, Kanyakumari, Thanjavur, Mahabalipuram, Kachipuram, Shriselam. Delhi. Train itinerary: Delhi, Safdarjung, Hyderabad, Rameshwaram, Madurai, Kanyakumari, Thanjaur, Chengallpattu, Jain, Kachipuram, Ongole, Kurnool town. Delhi, Safdarjung. Boarding deboarding: Delhi, Safdarjung, Mathura, Agra, Kant, Gwalior, Jhansi, Bina, Bhopal, Itarsi, Nagpur. Destinations and visits covered: Hyderabad, visit Golconda Fort, Statue of Equality, Charminar, Chaumala Palace, Birla Mandir. Rameshwaram, visit Ramnath Swami Temple and Dhanushkodi. Madurai, visit Meenakshi Temple. Kanyakumari, visit Kanyakumari Temple, Vivekanand Rock Memorial. Thanjavur, visit Brihadeshwara Temple, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kachipuram, visit Vishnu Kachi, Shiva Kachi and Kamakshi Amman Temple. Mahabalipuram, visit Arjuna's Penance, Pacha Rathas, Mahabalipuram Beach and Shore Temple. Shriselam, visit Mallikarjun Jyotirling Temple. The cost of the tour package includes the journey by train, accommodation, transfers between the sites, tour escort, security on the train, vegetable meals including breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and travel insurance. Cost per person for the proposed tour. Comfort category: single share, 56,515 rupees, double triple share, 49,140 rupees, superior category, single share, 67,815 rupees, double triple share, 58,970 rupees. COVID-19 fully vaccination certificate is compulsory for temple darshan and sightseeing of monuments. All passengers should carry vaccination certificates in hard copy or in the phone during the duration of the tour. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.